Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. For them, deviations and obstructions exist. Everything is self-luminous wisdom. There are no dharmas of deviation and obstruction. When we understand what it means to be pure from the primordial, the dharmas of deviation and obstruction will not remain. As for the meaning, excuse me, it is the path of awareness without signs. We think with our minds about apart from the cuckoo of awareness. The wisdom of our awareness blazes in a light. It is clear. Our visualized engagements do not remain. This is sure. It is not a deception. These are true words. It is a sure transmission. These are the Upadesha instructions on the experience of awareness. We use words and language that are sure to exemplify this, and we believe this to be a path of words. The unspeakable dominion of the Dharma is luminous by itself. Discussing it is a deviation. That is just how it is. We have the wheel of self-originating awareness. To exemplify it, there is that path of words that exemplify. Without contrivance, there is no object for us to see. However we may look at things, we will be going backwards. Those who crave for consciousness about positions will not see the equanimity that has no position. The Great Perfection is a primordial self-luminosity. It spreads its clarity without regard to any position or side. Non-dual wisdom is beyond any craving. Our view is a primordial great purity. From the beginning, the dominion of the Dharma is all good. The rejection and acceptance of our cravings does not remain. Things like renunciation, abstinence, and cleansing do not remain. The practice of extremes is determined in this way. But no matter how we may determine things, our pathway is mistaken. The way that we act is a dharma of delusion. From the beginning, the non-dual has no cessation. Without attachment, we lift up our enlightenment.